वेलकम टू माय चॅनल लर्न इंग्लिश थ्रू मराठी.
तो खोलीत गेला. He went into the room. He went into the room. तिने पाण्यात उडी मारली. She jumped into the water. मुलगा घरात धावला. The boy ran into the house. The boy ran into the house. आईने दूध ग्लासमध्ये ओतले. Mother poured the milk into the glass. शिक्षक वर्गात आले. The teacher came into the classroom. त्याने पैसे पिशवीत ठेवले. He put the money into the bag. मांजर खिडकीतून घरात आली. The cat came into the house through the window. तिने कागद तुकड्यांत फाडला. She tore the paper into pieces. तो गर्दीत शिरला. He went into the crowd. मुलगी गाडीत बसली. The girl got into the car. The girl got into the car. त्याने पुस्तक बॅगेत ठेवले. He put the book into the bag. He put the book into the bag. कुत्रा घरात पळत आला. The dog ran into the house. The dog ran into the house. ती स्वयंपाकघरात गेली. She went into the kitchen. त्याने पाणी बाटलीत भरले. He filled the water into the bottle. पक्षी झाडात उडून गेला. The bird flew into the tree. मुलाने चेंडू पाण्यात टाकला. The children threw the ball into the water. ती दुकानात गेली. She went into the shop. तो अंधारात चालत गेला. He walked into the darkness. त्याने कपाटात कपडे ठेवले. He put the clothes into the cupboard. मुलगा वर्गात धावत आला. The boy ran into the class.
Thanks for watching. Like, comment and subscribe. Please subscribe my channel.